So everybody always says ZILA cannot TIG weld at all. That's why he MIG welds everything. So I'm going to show you the setup here. When I was at South Coast Welding Academy in Houston, I got the opportunity to TIG weld some titanium pipe, 2-inch schedule 80. So here's the setup: heavy hitter 350 torch, gas valve in the torch. You see the machine there running off a Miller Dynasty 210DX, and then with trail shield and everything. And the positioner, we did not spin the positioner. I kind of welded around it there. You see how clay is doing this. And then here, that's me now having a new pipe in there and just doing my thing.
Or did I just make that up?
No, that's a movie. That's an old movie. It's called Lizard. Did you know that? Yeah. Oh, I thought you...
I'm not from fucking...
No, I thought you were for real. You're like, I just make it up.
No. So everything's gone?
Yeah.
So fixed shade helmet, paying close attention. Trail shield has 2 separate argon hoses, one for the torch and then one just for the trail shield. Actually, this is 3rd argon hose back purging the pipe on the inside. So you start with a foot pedal, and on titanium you need to make sure you're not going to do it too hot. You're not going to cook it. Like, the ideal color on it is just like silver, perfect silver. Maybe with a hint of straw color is acceptable. The stuff you see on Instagram where it's all like blue and purple and everything, that's great for Instagram, but that will not pass any inspection in any industrial setting where people actually use titanium pipe for like high pressure application in a commercial environment like a refinery or something like that. The critical part here is not to cook this thing. Weld a little bit, let it cool, let the argon blow on there. The reason you use valves on everything is so you have basically indefinite post flow. Let it totally cool down almost to room temperature, then weld a little bit more. Titanium is really critical that you are not overheating it, that you're not cooking it. So here I just turned off the valve on the torch and turned off the flow regulator that was supplying the trail shield.
No heat pin? No heat pin, huh?
No,
And it didn't crack?
It didn't crack yet.
Let's see. Just bring the light over here. There you go. Bring it over here.
And you can see the result here, pretty respectable. The colors are good. The weld bead is uniform-ish. No major undercut, no nothing. So that would be a good root pass. The way how it looks.
Literally just super bright, isn't it? When there's no either way.
I'm taking
So here's the next guy welding. You get a little bit closer look on how the setup works here and how you're gonna hold it in.
Oh, hold on. Ready? Yeah.
And if you thought cleanliness was important on TIG welding in general, on titanium everything just amplifies. I mean, the filler rod needs to be clean, wiped down, everything else needs to be clean. You typically use manual tools like a file to clean the pipe, get the oxides off of the titanium. I mean, everything needs to be just perfect if you want perfect outcome.
Some oxidation on that rod.
I try not to have the film metal corrode, because it'll oxidize just to keep the tip of the film metal switching the inert gas. Because it becomes very sticky.
Yeah, it is.